In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically color a table in Google Sheets. If you want your spreadsheet to look cleaner, more organized, and easier to read, using automatic table coloring is a great option. This feature is especially helpful when you are working with larger sets of data, because alternating row colors make it much easier to follow information across the sheet without losing your place. The best part is that Google Sheets can apply this formatting for you in just a few clicks. To get started, first highlight the entire table range that you want to format. Make sure you select all of the rows and columns that belong to your table so the coloring is applied evenly across the full data set. Taking a moment here to select the correct range is important because the formatting will only affect the cells you've highlighted. Once your table is selected, go up to the top menu, click Format, and then choose Alternating Colors. As soon as you do that, Google Sheets will open a formatting panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can control how your table will look. From this sidebar, you can choose one of the preset themes if you want a quick and polished result. These built-in styles are useful if you just want something simple and professional, without spending extra time adjusting colors manually. If you want more control, you can also build a custom style that allows you to choose the exact colors you want for the header, alternating rows, and other parts of the table so the sheet matches your preferred look or brand style. You'll also notice options for header and footer formatting. If your table includes a top row that should stand out as a header, you can keep that option checked so it gets its own distinct color treatment. If you don't need that, simply uncheck it. The same goes for the footer option. Depending on how your table is structured, you can turn that on or off as needed. This gives you flexibility to make the table look exactly the way you want. After you've selected a preset or customized the colors and adjusted the header or footer settings, click Done to apply the formatting. Your table will instantly update with the alternating color style you chose, making the data easier to scan and more visually appealing. That's all it takes to automatically color a table in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.